G'day everyone. Over the next couple of minutes we're going to cut through and give you the top 3 tips to grow a great herb garden at home. There's nothing more rewarding than growing fresh herbs in your own backyard or on your balcony. So first and foremost, it's all about the environment. You need to have a really good understanding of your local environmental and climatic conditions. So understand what rainfall and temperatures your veggie patch is likely to be exposed to, how much sunlight it's going to get throughout the day. Secondly, it's all about the soil. Understanding your soil is critical to grow a great herb garden. If you are planting a herb garden in the ground, dig down a bit, see exactly what you're dealing with. You could be dealing with some sandy soils or clay soils or nice rich organic loams. So that's really important to know what type of conditions you're going into. Third and final, have a short list of what types of herbs you're going to be using when you take them inside to cook. So get that list because herbs come in a whole range of sizes and shapes. When it comes to planting out your herb garden, understanding the height of your herbs when they hit maturity is really important to make sure your herb garden is spaced out properly. So with a herb like rosemary, for example, that gets up to at least 1 metre tall, it'd be wise to be putting your rosemary towards the back of the herb garden, right up here. So don't ever plant your herbs too low, keep them a little bit elevated so no water congregates around the base of the plant. Shorter herbs like oregano here can be planted towards the front of the veggie patch. That way they won't get overrun by the taller herbs at the back. Allow plenty of space between the two. Keep it a little bit elevated again so water doesn't congregate around the base of the herb. Finally, take all of that information and duck down to your local garden centre. They're the experts when it comes to what's going on in your neighbourhood, and they'll be the best place for you to get further advice on what to select and how to prepare your herb garden for a bumper crop this season.